How to fix Facebook dating something went wrong. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here as you see you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. Search only for Facebook, open then Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on force stop, click OK again. And now what you should do, go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.